Are you guys ready
Yeah.
for Amadeo?
Yeah.
Okay, we just got our drinks from Cafe Amadeo. I have hazelnut. And what do you have?
Mocha.
Let me see that.
Yeah, mocha.
Okay, Cafe Mocha. All right. Hi, Eva. What's in the bag, babe? Oh, we got some chocolate chip cookies and then
It's a
There's that.
polvoron. What?
Wolverine. So it's lunchtime and we just ordered some yellow cab pizza from this place. Hold on. Yeah, right here. And this place, I guess, is owned by Max's.
Hi.
Or Max's owns.
Hiya.
They own Yellow Cab, Jamba Juice, Krispy Kreme, Pancake House. So, anyways, here is our food here. Oh, she wants to say hi to you guys. Okay, so here's our pizza here. Let's see, right here. All right, here's our pizza. Let's see how it looks. We ordered pepperoni thin crust, cut in squares. Whoa, look at that. Let me get one of these here so you guys can see it. Is it clear? Whoa, yeah. All right, so we're gonna eat, guys. And then after this, we're gonna check into our place. Check into our secret farm. This is the way to the secret farm right here. Very lush, very vegetative. But we're coming, I think it's the right here, huh? Alright. Oh, Belite Falls is right there, huh? We're checking the Belite Falls right here. Wow, look at this place. All natural. I think it's all natural springs. All right, video. Swim over here. Swim to daddy. Wow. Wow, you did it. Let me see you go swimming, babe. Wow. That's cool.
Yippee! Yippee!
Look at
Mga 2 ano lang.
You're the mommy. Okay, you guys swim here towards me. Swim towards me.
Hindi by herself.
Okay. What's up, guys? Hi, Pipa.
Hello.
Come over here.
Okay.
Yay. Cool.
Hey, let's go here.
Hi, baby.
Hello.
You like this place?
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Send it, daddy.
There goes somebody.
Okay. Wow, you did it. Oh, that looks cool.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
What are you doing? Hi. Show us your, are you downloading Kadopia?
Yeah, I dialed. It's dialed now.
Okay. Goodness. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
What's my baby doing? You waiting for the food?
Yeah. I want
What's Fifi doing? Let me see Fifi. Let me see little Fifi's face. Hey, Fifi.
Hello.
You having fun?
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Look, I watching.
Where is Pipa? Oh, there she is. Oh, I can't see you. Hi.
Hi. Hey, I really like to swing like this. I have to swing.
Okay. Hi.
Hey.
We're just waiting on our food.
Yeah.
Where's your iPad?
Up here,
Okay, slowly, okay? Don't go too fast. Uh-huh. Okay, thank you. All right. Dinner is ready. Okay. Look for our table. Okay.
Hi, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Kapit na kapit ka. Alam mo nag-vlog ka?
All right. It's here. Let's open it. Open that up. Wow. Let's open that up like this. Wow.
But Dad, keeping the water.
Okay. Bulalo.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I want soup, Mom. I want the food here.
Okay.
I want to cook, Mom.
Let me see some meat. Take that meat out. One big piece, huh?
This way, wait. So,
There you go. That looks good. I'm gonna try to do karaoke, but Fifi's sleeping. The karaoke is included, and so is the pool. So let's see what Mommy's gonna sing here.
I remember the days we were here with me. There's laughter and tears we share for years. Memories that we had for so long.
You wanna be on there?
Now you're gone away, you left me all alone.
Good morning, people. open this. Open that one. Let's go see what we have here. Okay. That's our view. Did everyone sleep good? Did you sleep good? Okay. Good morning, Fifi. Did you sleep good? Huh? Look at these legs. Look at these legs. Good morning. My baby. Oh! What? What you want to say? Uh-oh. You're excited this morning, huh? Great. I love you. What? What you want to say to Daddy? Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Oh. Look at my pretty baby. Oh, what? What? What you want to say? What you want to say? Oh. What do you want to do today? I think we're going to go to the beach. You want to go to the beach? Yes? Okay. You want to go swimming? Or do you want to play on the sand and build sand castles? Huh? You want to do... Oh, you want to do them all, huh? Okay, you got it.